Welcome to all. We started with this chapter HTML to learn number of tags to create web page. So let's see next tag, Marquee tag. It is used to create scrolling text area. What it means, अगर आपको अपने वेब पेज पे किसी टेक्स्ट को स्क्रोलिंग फॉर्मेट में रिप्रेजेंट करना है, so you have to use Marquee tag. It is in pair, means start tag and end tag is there. Example, whatever text you want to get in scrolling format, just represent in between this Marquee tag. But the main problem is HTML5 does not support Marquee tag. So for scrolling text we use CSS feature, that is cascading style sheet. Marquee has an important attribute. क्या है वो? Direction. Right direction, left, up and down. Right means what? Right to left. Left means left to right, same way for up and down. By default direction is right, that is from right to left. Example is given here. In Marquee tag we gave here direction as right. Okay, so we will see this code in our program. Next tag is image tag, that is img tag. It is used to display image on web page, and it is single tag, that is only starting tag. Start tag is img tag. Attributes are source, width, height and alt. src for source means it is used to specify path of image. आपका image कहाँ पे present है, you have to specify the path using this src. Next is width. It specifies the width of image in pixel. Okay, pixels में आपको वैल्यू देना है तो उसमें इमेज का साइज और विड्थ फाइनल होगा. सेम वे फॉर हाइट. हाइट फाइनल करने के लिए जस्ट पुट द वैल्यू इन पिक्सल. Next is alt. It refers to alternate text. It will specify description of image. Clear? तो इसमें से सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट एट्रीब्यूट क्या है जिसके बिना आपका इमेज टैग नहीं होगा कंप्लीट? दैट इज योर SRC. ओके, दैट इज योर SRC. SRC में आपका इमेज का पाथ देना है, तभी इमेज आपके वेब पेज पे इंसर्ट होगा. सो SRC इज द मेन एट्रीब्यूट. In this format we have to write src, width in pixel format, height and alt, alternate text. And see here there is no closing tag for image. Next is how to use image tag in Marquee tag. What it means? Marquee means to scroll the text. So in this way we can scroll image in Marquee format. Clear? So Marquee tag we gave direction is left, that is from left to right image will scroll, and we gave image tag here with src means source, where is your image, width, height. Okay, and I close Marquee tag here. So instead of text we gave here image. Clear? Let's see the code. See here. And in one more thing, in Marquee tag we gave bg color. So आपका स्क्रोलिंग टेक्स्ट जहाँ पे भी रिप्रेजेंट हो रहा है वहाँ पे बैकग्राउंड में कौन सा कलर होगा? येलो होगा. एंड डायरेक्शन इज राइट, दैट इज योर बाय डिफॉल्ट डायरेक्शन. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट इज Marquee टैग इन विच वी आर यूजिंग इमेज. इसका डायरेक्शन क्या है? लेफ्ट है, मीन्स लेफ्ट टू राइट. नेक्स्ट वी यूज्ड इमेज टैग and gave source with one image, width and height and alternate text without any closing tag for img. Let's see final output. See here, this is left to right. Okay, and image as scrolling in scrolling format. See this is from right to left, that is your by default, and this is your image tag. Okay, So these are three things which you learned today, that is marquee tag, image tag, and how to use image in scrolling format. Okay.